Yo, wanted to show a little bit of my home theater setup. So what we have today is the Yamaha. This is what I'm using as my receiver. Uh, it has this couple features: Bluetooth, HDMI, and some Dolby Amos. Sounds pretty good actually. This is the model number, the RXB 383, and it sounds pretty good. Currently, I'm using the JL Audio W712 as the sub, and it actually sounds pretty good. Got the speakers all around. Feel me? Yep, GTA. Yeah, that sounds pretty good. Give you guys a little demo. See what it sounds. It sounds pretty loud and a lot of bass. Yep. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.